All right, we got another one here. We're starting out this tub. Got some fresh slurry for the wall. This is our tub. So let's see how far we can get today. It's about 10 o'clock. Alright, so now we got wet float as usual. And we're putting out some thin set. It's gonna go real quick. This is about a 2x7 tile or something. So, and it's made in Spain, so it's gonna be nice and easy. So we'll see in a little bit. Alright, we're about 6 hours into this thing. This is how far we got. We got this wall, trim up there, we're trimming out that, got this piece. So now we got working on that sidewall. Alright, here we go. This is the end of the day. We're exactly 8 hours into this thing. So as you can see, we put the hardy board down. We actually floated and tiled this whole shower, including the trim, except obviously the niche. Everything else is done, but one piece missing right here. So tomorrow, also the bench. That's about it. Let me know what you guys think.